Hi guys, it's Miss Ashley here with another OT activity for this week. This week we're going to be working on our writing and pre-writing skills using some sensory play in the mix. So what you'll need is a baking sheet, can be any size, any depth, can even be a dish, whatever you have, a plate, whatever works. So one of these, you will want it to have some sort of edge because we're going to put flour or sugar inside, so you don't want it to spill over the edges. So something with a little lip around the edge so it keeps it in. Then you can either use flour, you can use sugar, shaving cream, whatever you have at home. Sugar will be a little rougher on the fingers and flour will be a little softer, so you can even mix up both so they really get a sensory experience. All right, so you're just going to sprinkle some in. Not too much, just a little bit, into your baking sheet. I'm gonna do a combo, just to spice it up. And the reason we're using baking foods here is it's edible. So if the kids decide they wanna shove those fingers in their mouth really quick or wanna explore it orally, it's safe to do so. All right, now we're just gonna shake it out so it covers the whole surface. So as you can see, my whole sheet is covered, just about. Now, I'm gonna flip the camera around so you can see. We're gonna practice writing in it. Let's see if I can figure out how to flip this. Okay, we'll do it this way. So, you're gonna have your kids take either, mix this up a little bit more. You're gonna spread it out nice and smooth so it's really covered. Okay, now you're gonna practice using a finger drawing some shapes. So for a triangle, big line down, jump to the top, big line down, little line across the bottom, triangle. Then to erase it, you just smooth it over. Next, we'll try a circle. Big circle. To erase it again, you just covered it up. Now, if your kids are past this stage where they're writing their shapes already, they're writing their names, they're writing words, you can practice writing sight words. Instead of using a pointer finger, which you could do, that's fine, but to really focus on working on the pencil skills and a pencil grasp, you want to use the eraser end of a pencil, and you can write right in it. So you can practice writing names. Sorry, I know it's upside down. So you can write names. And again, to erase it, you literally just smooth it out. You can write words. So I know some classes are practicing sight words. Or you can even just practice letters, uppercase and lowercase letters here. Numbers, whatever skills you want to work on. I'll suggest which skills when I send you the email. So for example, if we're working on uppercase and lowercase letters, we'll do A, and then we'll do lowercase a. Just like that. The kids can have fun with this. If they don't like getting their hands dirty, they can use a pencil as well. If they like the feeling of it, it can be a play activity afterwards. They can doodle in it. They can draw all sorts of shapes. You can draw a person. It's really good practice in sensory exploration. So it'll really get their hands exposed to different textures and materials. Let me know how they do. Let me know how they like it, and send back a video or a picture of them doing their work. Look forward to seeing you guys. Bye.